Arranging windows automatically is a feature you will love. In this video, we will explain how to use Windows Snap Assist. Snap Assist helps you organize your opened windows quickly and neatly. When you drag a window to the left or right edge of your screen, it snaps to fill that half. As soon as it snaps, Snap Assist shows you thumbnails of your other open windows, letting you click one to fill the remaining space instantly. This makes setting up two apps side by side effortless. You can drag a window to a corner to snap it into a quarter of the screen, allowing 4 windows at once. You can also use keyboard shortcuts, pressing Windows key plus the arrow keys to snap the active window in different directions. After snapping 2 windows together, you can drag the divider between them to resize both at the same time. This is fantastic for comparing documents, watching a video while taking notes, or referencing one app while working in another. Snap Assist takes the effort out of arranging your screen. Once you start using it, organizing multiple windows becomes quick, smooth, and genuinely satisfying every single time.